again there, beautiful friend. I'm Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a very quick Earfleek unboxing. Earfleek is an earring subscription box bag that comes to your door. They have kind of changed up a lot over the couple of years that I have been getting Earfleek, but it's roughly about $4 a pair of earrings. Yes, they are cheaper earrings. You're paying $4 for them, but they are also cute. So we are going to check out what we have today. Always comes super cute mailer. Earfleek. The adhesive is real. Ugh. Okay, so typically comes with a little thing telling you kind of what you got there. So I've got some gold, which I absolutely love. Of course, can you not tell? Anyways, Venice Beach, inspired by California energy. Pair these with Venice Beach dangle earrings with a graphic tee, high-waisted jeans, and sneakers for effortlessly cool. Because you know, that's me. Okay, so they always come in a cute little bag here. Let's see what they look like. Okay, that's what they look like. Yeah. What you think? I'll put one on for you. Okay, here we go. How you like them? I will get you a close-up there, but I think they're very, very cute. Okay, $4. Earfleek. And you get to kind of tell them like what you like, and they will send you one random pair of earrings. I've gotten some many cute ones from them. So don't forget to hit that like, hit the bell, hit the subscribe, hit all the good stuff, because you know it helps me out a lot and I appreciate you. Have a good day.